आं जयन्त बसुमतारी सुबुं आफादनि सोद्रोमा सायख'जानानै गंग्लायै गोथारै समायखिरा लायोदि आं आयेन खान्थिजों सुजुजानाय भारतनि सार्वभौमत्व आरो खौसेथिखौ रैखा खालामगोन। अदेबानि आंनो मावनो होनाय बिबानफोरखौ सैथोजों मावफुंगोन।
Welcome to Borderland Research. We hope you are doing good. Today, we will try to demonstrate how Nota voters can change the political ideologies in a better sense. For this exercise, we have taken the 2024 general election result of Kokrajhar constituency. Our approach is to do a data analysis using election data on different dimensions, focusing on the Nota votes. At the end of the analysis, we will come up with data insights, which will tell us how political parties should take appropriate actions in converting those Nota voters in their favor. We might not be correct in many aspects, but we seek your feedback and encouragement in this endeavor. We are very pleased to let you know that we are not influenced by any political parties or organizations. Our opinions are based on election data only. There is no other external influencer in this analysis. If you would like to know our analysis in detail, please come along with us for the next 15 minutes. Our journey starts right from here. Shri Joyanta Basumtari won the 2024 general election, and Shri Kampa Borgoyari was placed in the second position. The third place was won by Shri Garjan Mashahari. The vote share of Joyanta was 39.42%, 4,84,681, Kampa 35.20%, 4,32,768, whereas the rest of candidates was 25.38%. The total valid votes was 12,29,546. Vote distribution by segments. In terms of vote volume, Sidli Chirang and Manas segments are at the top. We believe that political parties should pay special attentions to these segments. Not performing well in these segments means party is in a not so good form. At the bottom rank, we have Gosegaon and Dotma segments. Candidates' vote share in percentage. As you can see in this chart, Nota has a significant vote share, 1.11%, that is 13,662 votes in absolute figure. We also noticed that Nota stood at 7th position among the 13 candidates. We already know the top two candidates. At the bottom layer we can see Ajoy Narjari at 0.33% and Triptina Rabha, 0.36%. Here is a comparison chart of top 4 candidates. This will provide us with clear view of their performance at various segments. As we can see, Joyanta and Kampa are top runner, whereas Garjan and Binita has some spikes here and there. Garjan fared good into segments namely Gosegaon and Parbachhora. Binita has 2 spikes at Bajni and Buxa, although they are not very significant. We also can see that there was tough fight everywhere between Joyanta and Kampa. This is a good thing for a democratic country like India. Nota vote analysis. Sidli Chirang segment has the highest volume of Nota votes. Gosegaon segment has the lowest volume. It is important to analyze the Nota votes, which can provide voter spectrum pattern in that segment. We have spent significant effort to analyze this data. Here comes the Nota vote percent over segment votes. This number is ranging from 0.906% to 1.304%, as we can see in the chart. As this number increases, we can say that voters are not satisfied in this particular segment. The lower the number, the better it is. Going by this assumption, Buxa segment has some the highest percentage of unsatisfied voters. On the other hand, Gosegaon segment has the least number of unsatisfied voters. Dotma is one segment where the volume of voter is low but the percentage is high. It is a special case in our opinion. We believe that every voter is very important to the system. They are more important to the political parties, as their fortune lies with them. We have seen least dissatisfied voters in Gosegaon, Parbachhora, and Manas segments by our analysis. Political parties might take advantage of these voters, as they are highly satisfied. These voters might be easily influenced by the political parties. These voters might not be well informed or well educated. All of these are our assumptions. A high number of dissatisfied voters are found in three segments, namely Buxa, Sidlicharang and Kokrajhar. Our assumptions in this case are as follows. Political parties might fight each other to satisfy these voters. Voters might not be influenced by the political parties. Voters might be well informed or well educated. Serious issues might be more important than petty things for these voters. As we know, voters are the kingmaker. We have concluded our analysis. Please let us know your valuable comments. Please write to us at the email address flashed on the screen. Thanks for watching.